Okay guys, just because I have all three of them out in one room, let me show you the comparison of subwoofer sizes. So that's 33-inch for you. Made a table of it now. You see them cokes everywhere. It's because I'm trying to show you the size against something to compare, because obviously on the video it just doesn't seem so big. Look at that magnet compared to the can. That's absolutely massive. "24" looks like a baby woofer compared to that. And that's a 15. 15, 24, 33. I forgot to mention that this is going into my Fiat 500 now, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the videos of me uploading it. Yeah, these two are out. That's the replacement. Can't wait. Cheers.